Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be scrapbooking in a actual full video instead of a short because it's my channel and I can if I want to. So there we go. I can do what I want when I want. So I got this kit from Peachy Cheap and it is Fancy Pants Designs Camp Wander. And I have two photos over here that I want to scrapbook, and this is my son. He was about maybe 3, so this was about 2006, and then him and his dad, my ex-husband, on the lake where we were camping. So let's see. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of this paper, and do I still have that paper in here so I can show you why? Yeah. So it's all like this drawn paper, right? So cute. Like the florals kind of don't match, but it is what it is. Like I can work with it. All of this stuff here. It's okay. It's not perfect. I've used it. If you've seen, I have used that paper. And then there's this. Like why? Why the photorealistic? Anyway, I'll just use this side. It bothers me and I don't know why. I think I'm going to use this paper. Let's see. Is it too busy for these photos? It might be. So what else do we got? This one right here. Oh, that's better, I think. So I'm going to use that paper, but what else can we use with it? Is there any other paper we can kind of pull out and use? A strip of... I kind of want to use the floral, and I don't know why. But then again, I don't. Okay, I'm just going to use this. Sold. Done. Great. We're just going to use that. I'm also going to pull out a sheet of, let's see, what color would go best? Okay, I did just pull out white. So let's trim this down. It's the only reason I don't like that paper. Like, why is it? I don't get it. Why? Why do you have all that and then photorealistic? I'm going to cut an inch off all sides here. I mean, 2 sides. Oh. And then I'm just going to mat this. I'm not going to, normally I gut this paper, but I have so much of it, you guys. I honestly do. I got a huge pack, super cheap on Amazon. So there's no need for me to gut. Okay, so we have that. And now we have our 2 photos. Our 2 photos. I don't know if I have a title or anything anywhere. I have this, came with it. It's 106 pieces of ephemera. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of this set. However, I was looking for a camping set forever and was not happy with any of them that I was seeing. And then this one was just, this matches that. So I'm going to put that in there. There's some orange. I don't know if you can see it. And then the green. So I'm going to put that in there. These I found in my, when I was clearing things out, I found these. I don't know where they're from. I'll be honest. I'm guessing Echo Park, but I'm not sure. So I think that's good. There's some, okay, I'll grab the trees. The canoe, no. But those three, I think look pretty darn good. Let me double check here. Do the lantern also matches and the backpack. Okay. I think I'm going to put this one away. Okay. I also have the stickers. So we have the stickers. We have this. I think we should mat that. I have this. I got at Ollie's, and we will find maybe like the orangey color. Do I even have that? I've used the hell out of this, and I'm so mad. Like, I wish I would have bought more. I wish I would have bought more, but I did not. I think this. Let's see. Okay, I'll go with this. I am going to cut these down to size. If I do not cut them down to size, I end up having issues getting it straight. I'll fully admit that. Okay. Yep, I know my limitations. Oh no, I was not paying attention. I don't want to have to reprint that. That's fine, I'll put something over it. I don't want to have to reprint it. My printer takes forever to print photos. Also, I bought more tape and I don't know where it is. For my tape runner, I don't know where it is. Okay, we have that. Okay. And okay. All right, I think I'm going to, let's take these off of here and figure out where we're putting the photos. And I think like that. Yep, I like that. So where is mine? Let's just make sure they're at least like kind of straight. Kind of straight, you guys. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm far from perfect. I'm so not used to doing this on a regular video. I always do these on shorts, and this is weird. Okay. All right. Now, let me figure out what I'm going to use. Okay, I found some stuff. So let's put it on. I did end up going through my color binder, and I honestly just finished filling it. I bought a bunch of ephemera earlier this month, and I've been slacking on putting it away. So I just put it away. I put that little banner there. I have this little owl that came from that chipboard set that I'm going to put there. And then I have this happy story, but I want to pop it up. And this is what our title will be. I also got more of these and I don't know what I did with them. I gotta pay more attention to what I do with my stuff. I haven't come down here in a while. Life's been a little bit hectic. So that's our title. Then I have these little tabs I'm going to add up here in this corner. Layer them up a little bit. This is also from that ephemera. And then I have this guy here. I have to poke out. There's a little piece in there. Can I get it out? There we go. Oops. Okay. I should put something through that circle, but I ain't going to worry about it. I have this sun, which is also recently from that ephemera. And of course, the little camera that started basically this color theme. I don't understand how I found so much to go with all the colors, but I did. Okay. I also have some enamel dots. I'm going to throw that package away. I don't need it. And let's see. Let's scatter some enamel dots. I think I'm going to go with the orange. And I'm just going to place them randomly because that's what I feel like doing. And then I think a third down here. Okay, easy peasy. I am more of a simple scrapbooker. I'm not one of those people who really love to just pile more and more stuff on. I like it simple. Thank you so much for joining today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look out for more of these because honestly, you guys, I am kind of just done. I have nothing in me when it comes to journaling and stuff like that anymore. Like, I don't even want to do journal with me's. I am so unbelievably done. I think I need a little bit of a break. So I'm going to be scattering in some scrapbooking videos. If you like that, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.